Here I am today on BrainPop to talk to you about creating classes. While there are some resources such as the video that are very easily shared just via a direct link, there are others where you're going to want to take advantage of having a class on BrainPop, such as the quiz that can be automatically graded and report the score to you. Creating a class is easy, and here's how you do it. When you've logged in with Google on your BrainPop, you'll go to the dashboard first, and you'll be greeted by this new class button here on the right. So I'll create a new class. I'm just going to call this test class. They're going to give you a class code. You'll want to keep that class code and make it handy. You can also download this PDF that you can share with families and your learners that will walk them through how to use that class code.